How to convert multiple JFIF image files to different file formats. We will show you step-by-step process to convert multiple JFIF image files to different file formats using MacUncle JFIF Converter tool. After installing MacUncle JFIF Converter tool, simply launch it. This tool provides users with dual options to select images. Add Files option to select single or multiple files. Add Folders option to select the entire folder at once. Click on Add Folder option and select the folder containing JFIF images. And click on Open button. Remove button will remove selected unwanted files or folders. Remove All button will remove all the unwanted files or folders. Click on Next button to proceed. User can include or exclude folders for conversion using the checkbox. Click on Next button to proceed. Location bar allows the user to view the location of the destination path. Click on Browse button to select the location. User can also select the saving option for converted files or folders, such as GIF, PNG, Doc, Docs, and many others. After choosing the saving option, click on Export button and export process will begin. A pop-up showing export was successful will appear on the screen. Click on OK. The trail version of the tool will only convert up to 5 images and will contain watermarks. In order to increase the limit and remove watermarks, user will have to purchase the license. Shortly, a new window will appear on the screen. Open the folder to proceed. And here you have your newly converted files. Click Open any file to view the output. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.